Hi students, today we'll do some more questions from the lesson Trigonometry applications. If the shadow of a tower is 30 meter long when the sun's elevation is 30 degree, what is the length of the shadow when sun's elevation is 60 degree? So depends on the question, we have to draw the figure. So this is the tower AB, we can say AB, and sun's elevation, the shadow 30 meter long. This is 30 meter long. When the sun's elevation 30 degree, that is angle of elevation. So it will be like this. This is 30 degree. 30 degree. No, this is 30 degree. What is the length of the shadow when the sun's elevation increases to 60? So this will be 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So we can mention the letter. So BC is a shadow at 30 degree elevation and BD is a shadow at 60 degree elevation. Now AB is the tower 30 meter long. So in triangle ABC, triangle ABC, AB by BC. So in triangle ABC, if you take the triangle ABC, AB by BC, BC is the length of the shadow, that is 30 meters is given. So BC we can say 30, AB we have to get the length of the tower equal to, we should get it, and it is tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cross multiply, you will get 30 root 3 equal to AB. So if it rationalize root 3 by root 3, rationalize by multiplication, so the root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 30 root 3, so 30 by 3, that is 10 root 3 meters, that is AB. Now if I take triangle ADC, AB by BD, equal to tan 60. If you take angle ABD, so AB by BD is equal to tan 60. So 10 root 3, that is already got as AB by BD is equal to root 3. So BD is equal to 10 root 3 by root 3, root 3 cancel, 10 meter. That's the question they're asking, what is the length of the shadow, that is BD. Next question, two men on either side of a 75 meter high building and in line with base of a building observe the angles of elevation of the top of the building as 30 degree and 60 degree. So we have to draw the figure. AB be the building. So if you take AB as a building and the two men are P and Q. So here we have to get two people, we have to represent as P and Q, so we can make two triangles. So that is 30 degree and here it is 60 degree, and this is 75 meters high, it is given as a building length. So triangle ABP, we can say tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So AB by PB or BP, tan 30 is root 3, that is AB is 75 and BP we will get it. So BP is equal to 75 root 3 meters. Now if you take triangle ABQ, we can take tan 60 equal to AB by opposite by adjacent BQ. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to AB is 75, BQ you should get it. So BQ is equal to 75 by root 3. Now we should get the length of two people standing between, the distance between the two people. Distance between two men equal to 75 root 3 plus. So here we can say, we can rationalize it, root 3 into root 3. So 75 root 3 by 3, that is 25 root 3. So we can add easily, 75 plus 25 is 100 root 3. So 100 into 1.73. So answer is 17.3 meters is the distance between the two people. So rationalize the fractions. We already learned from the first lesson, so that we have to apply here, and the values of angles also must keep in your mind. And then next one, a man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above water level observes the angle of elevation 60 degree and the angle of depression of a hill is 30 degree. Find the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. So what you have to do, it is a height of a hill, we can say that is AC, height of a hill, and the men is at E. There's a point. So if we draw like this we can draw a triangle from the men to the hill, that is 60 degree angle of elevation, and this is, we can say that is above the water level. So this is 10 meters above the water level. The man is standing from the water level, that is 10 meters high. So if you draw an angle like this angle of depression is 30 degree. So here also will be 30 degree. So like these two triangles we will get. So now we have to find the angles. So triangle BCE, BC equal to EC, ED equal to 10 meters. This rectangle BC and ED will be 10 meters. Angle BEC equal to 30 degree. So we can say tan 30 will be equal to BC by BE. We have to take this triangle BC by EE. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 10 by BE. So we can find the length of BE, that is 10 root 3 meters. Now BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to ED. So BE is equal to DC or CD. So DC will be equal to 10 root 3 because the same length, this length and this length will be equal. This is a rectangle. So that is the distance of hill from ship. So answer will be 10 root 3 means 10 into 1.73. Answer will be 17.32 meters. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground. Elevation of, so this is 30 degree to a point. So let that so we can say this is C, and if I write D, so let height CD is the height of the tower, and that is H, and distance BC on moving a distance of 20 meters towards the foot of a tower to a point B. This is 20 meters, and this length you should get it 60 degree. So this will be 60 degree. So now we should get the answer that let height be the H, that is CD, and the distance be X, this length distance be X. Now we should get the triangle DBC equal to H by X equal to tan 60. If you take the tan opposite by adjacent, H by X. So tan 60 is root 3 equal to h by x. So we take h is equal to root 3x. We can substitute equation 1. And if we take angle ADC tan 30 equal to h over x plus 20, that is 1 by root 3 equal to h by x plus 20. So instead of this h, if you take root 3h, so 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3h over x plus 20. So cross multiply root 3 into root 3, h equal to x plus 20. So 3h equal to x plus 20. 3 x. Okay, so this will be 2x equal to 20. So x will be 10. X is equal to 10 meters. Now AC equal to 20 plus 10, that is 30 meters, and we will get the value of h, that is DC equal to root 3x equal to root 3 into 10. 1.73 into 10, so answer is 17.32. 7.32 is the distance of the tower, that is DC, and x, this value will be 10 meter. This is the question, the height of the tower and the distance of the tower from the point A. So I hope you understand all the questions. So the main thing that you have to learn the values of the trigonometric angles and rationalization, and then normal way the calculation, it will be easy. So I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.